Today, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT slow responses. The first thing you should try is clearing your browser cache. The process is similar for all browsers. Open your browser settings and look for the Browsing History option. Click on it, then set the time range to all time. From the list of options, uncheck Browsing History and Cookies and make sure cached images and files are turned on. Click on Delete Data. This will clear the cache files and may help improve ChatGPT speed. Next, open ChatGPT and look at the bottom left corner. Click on your profile, then select Log Out. After that, log back in and see if the response time improves. If the issue still continues, it could be because your current chat is too long. Large chats can slow down ChatGPT and cause longer response times. A simple fix is to ask ChatGPT to summarize your ongoing chat. Once it gives you the summary, copy it, start a new chat, and paste it there to continue from where you left off. And that's how you can fix slow responses on ChatGPT.